Hey guys, this is Sai Harikrishan from the trendyblog.net, and today let's do the unboxing and hands-on review of the Urbanista Seattle headphones. So here you can see it's written urbanista.com and the color is rose gold. Generally rose gold color is very pretty and they are also quite unique. So here you can see there to the back it's written we design for life in motion, Stockholm and super fond for life in motion. So here it says on a crowded bus or in busy streets, the Urbanista Seattle on-ear headphones really let the music carry you away. And while opening up the box, you can see it says your ears were made for these headphones with lots of love from Urbanista community. Here's the headphone itself. You can see it's been designed for life in motion, and it's in rose gold color and looks quite pretty. So let's see what's else inside the box. We get this earphones which are 3.5 mm cable. Then we have USB cable for charging. Then we have the user manual for the Seattle. So here is the headphone itself. You can see it looks quite pretty and it's really well built. So you can just do to expand the earphones, and it's in white color, and the pad looked very soft and they feel also very soft when you're hearing. So if you're using it for long hours, you don't feel any discomfort and you can use it for long music sessions. So to the bottom we have this on off switch, so we'll just turn it on, and as it's not paired to anything, it will be in pairing mode now. Now let us connect our smartphone. So here we get Urbanista Seattle. Let's pair it now. So it is now connected and the battery is 100%. So as now I'm playing the NCS music on these headphones and you can hear this. The headphones are in full sound now. So the functions and controls are quite easy. So if you want to increase the volume, you just need to swipe horizontally. You can see it increases the volume, so you can feel the difference in the headphones when you're increasing the volume like this. And so changing the track is also quite easy. You just need to swipe horizontally like this and it will change the track. So you can see it changed the track like this. So swiping is also quite easy and you just need to do like this and it changes the track. So guys, that was up with our hands-on review of the Urbanista Seattle headphones. So these are in rose gold color and they look quite cute and are very stylish too. The comfort is also really good. Even after wearing these headphones for around 3 to 4 hours of long music sessions, you don't feel any discomfort. The volume is apt, it's not too loud but it's very punchy, the bass is punchy. So guys, if you want to purchase the same and read the article review, links to both of them will be in the description. So guys, this is Sai Harikrishan signing off. I'll catch you guys soon in my next one. Till then, peace out.